Just Chris Swaim here and probably for the next several hours tracking that snowstorm.
Active radar, Kelly. Snow lining up as advertised. Yeah, it'll be a shovelable one for a lot of people here late tonight or early tomorrow morning. We got some time left with this system. Look at the scope of it, Kelly. We have snow reaching up just into close to New York City, all the way back, changing over to rain in Raleigh, North Carolina. Some heavier snow south. You can actually see it in the darker bands here. So when we look at satellite and radar, there's a band of heavier snow over parts of D.C. Annapolis, a pretty sharp cutoff as you head north, and a lot of that northern end evaporating before it hits the ground. We can get a closer look here as we zoom into radar. So there's some of the darker bands here. It's a subtle difference, but it makes a big difference for snowfall rates. As those heavier bands work their way in, you can get rates up to 1 to 2 inches per hour. Now that's not going to last the entire system, but it'll be the majority of our snowfall totals in an hour or two as we go through the evening hours here late tonight and into early Wednesday morning. Temperatures have completely cooled below the freezing mark. That was key here, where we had a little more of a mix earlier today. Now dropping sub-freezing across the board. 26 in Parkton, 28 in Bel Air, 30 degrees in Essex and Inner Harbor. We'll flip over to Futurecast here, looking into the next couple of hours and early Wednesday morning through 9, 10, 11 p.m. Still steady snow sticking with us overnight and into early Wednesday morning. A lot of this will wrap up by 4 to 5 a.m. So many of us waking up tomorrow to our totals of 3 to 6 inches and 6+ farther south. Otherwise cloudy skies in between. We'll get a break midday Wednesday. With this active pattern, though, another system on its heels likely arrives as a rain-snow mix. You can see a little bit of color there changing in our Futurecast map. That will melt quite a lot of snow as we go Wednesday evening into Thursday morning. Likely warm enough to get mostly rain here. That could be some ice accumulation up to 1/10 of an inch in some spots. We've had a lot of these types of weather makers over the past couple of weeks. And then lingering showers into early Thursday morning. So we get the full gambit of different types of precip, from rain to mix to snow over the next couple of days. Thursday morning starting the day off relatively dry, and Thursday's got a lot of dry time here. So any outdoor plans will look better there. When it's all said and done, I think we get 3 to 6 inches farther north, 6+ farther south. Had that live shot from Jack Watson earlier. You saw Annapolis starting to pile up a little bit quicker. And look at the full range here. 3 inches likely farther north, where snow's been much lighter, closer to the metro, and then getting to that 5-6 inch mark as you head farther south. The potential to go over that is in the darker blue bands where we have heavier snow. It's widespread snow tonight, temperatures in the low 30s. That'll be our next big system heading into tomorrow. We'll go from snow to rain, rain lingering into Thursday morning. Valentine's Day looks dry, mainly sunny skies. Touch colder, and then bigger rainmakers for Saturday, Sunday. We could start off with a mix Saturday, switching over to rain showers on Sunday. President's Day is dry, mainly sunny, but getting colder. 12 degrees Tuesday morning and 26 for a high. Kelly?
All right.